Commonwealth Bank's Tap and Pay feature allows you to make contactless payments using your smartphone. Here's how to use it. Ensure compatibility. Android users. Tap and Pay is available for Android devices with NFC capability running Android 4.4 or higher. iPhone users. For iPhone users, use Apple Pay instead of Tap and Pay. Add your Commonwealth Bank card to Apple Wallet. Download the CommBank app. Visit the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download the CommBank app. Set up Tap and Pay. Open the CommBank app and log in with your NetBank client number and password. Tap on the Cards tab and select the card you want to use for Tap and Pay. Follow the prompts to enable Tap and Pay. For Android users, you might need to set CommBank as your default payment app in the device settings. Make a payment. Ensure NFC is enabled on your device. When ready to pay, unlock your phone and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. Wait for the confirmation that the payment has been successful, which usually involves a beep or a vibration from the terminal. Security. Use your device's security features like PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition to secure Tap and Pay transactions.